This is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me on the 24th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's topic is sadness. As always, please find your comfortable preferred seating position on the floor as I am, or in a chair with back support, whatever you prefer. With your hand placement, you can place them on your knees or in your lap as I am, whatever's most comfortable. If you are ready, go ahead now and close your eyes. Starting with breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Bringing your focus to your body. Can you find where sadness is present within you? Do you feel it in your chest? Maybe in your shoulders? Maybe in your head? As you observe the sensations or feelings, try to do it without any judgment. What does sadness feel like to you? Notice any feelings of sadness or sensations that you may encounter. Do you feel warmth? Do you feel cold? If you notice that you are clenching or if there's any tension in your body, try to relax it. If you notice your jaw might be clenched, try to release any tension or try to create space in between your teeth so you're not clenching. Bringing your focus to the breath. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. If your thoughts wander away from you or from the focus of your breath, just gently bring them back. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. It's important to keep notes. I like using journals or your notepad in your phone, since your phone should be pretty much always with you throughout the day. When you encounter sadness, it's important to start collecting information or data about that. When you were feeling sad, what was going on? What time of day was it? Were you interacting with your partner or supervisor maybe at work? Or you driving in traffic? Maybe you were having a discussion with a family member. And then you go further into detail. Did you have a good night's rest the previous evening? Were you hungry? Were you running late for an appointment or maybe running late for work? It's important to note these factors so that way when we go back or we relive them in our mind, we can start to build or see patterns. And that way, for me personally, when I want to try to avoid such sadness, I make sure that key points or factors that I researched on myself don't come back again. For instance, typically a lot of people are automatically frustrated or sad when they're running late or they might be behind. So keep that in mind. It's helped me a lot. If you are ready, go ahead and slowly open your eyes if you have them closed. Maybe wiggle your toes, your fingers. "24th day." We've done 24 days straight. I am so proud of you. I truly am. For taking the time to research yourself. For taking the time to sit and to listen to yourself. And thank you for allowing me to be a part of this. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.